Creating a client onboarding course for services is essential to ensure your new clients have a smooth, seamless experience and start off on the right foot. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a client onboarding course that will keep your clients engaged and set them up for success. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing a free trial of the software we'll use to create this, and trust me, you'll want to grab that. Step 1. Define your client journey. Start by mapping out every step your client will go through, from the moment they sign up to when they start using your service. Think of it as a roadmap. Where do you want to guide them, and what do they need to know at each point? This is crucial because it ensures you're addressing every necessary part of the process in your course. Next, create modules that align with each stage of the client journey. For example, if your service requires setup, the first module should walk the client through those first steps. If you provide an ongoing service, have sections dedicated to maintenance, ongoing support, and how to get the most out of your services. Step 3. Keep it simple. Remember, onboarding shouldn't overwhelm your client. Break the content down into easy-to-digest chunks. Use bullet points, videos, and simple instructions to guide your clients through each step. The goal is clarity and simplicity so they feel confident, not confused. Then, add visuals and interactive elements to make the course engaging. A good mix of video tutorials, downloadable PDFs, and checklists will keep your clients engaged and give them something to refer back to later. Interactive quizzes or surveys at the end of each module can help reinforce learning and provide feedback for you about how well your clients are understanding the material. Step 5. Personalize your course. Use your client's name, reference their specific goals, and address any questions or pain points you've identified in your initial conversations. Personalization not only makes your course feel more tailored, but also shows your client that you're invested in their success. Now, the best way to put everything into action is to use software to deliver and organize your course. I've tried all the top platforms out there, and this software is the one I recommend. It's incredibly user-friendly, intuitive, and provides all the features you need to build an effective client onboarding course. You'll find an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below if you want to follow along while creating your own course. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. Key takeaway. A great client onboarding course simplifies your client's experience and ensures they get value from your service from day one. Focus on creating clear, engaging content that walks them through every step of the process, and don't forget to personalize it and make sure it's easy to follow. To recap, first, define the client journey. Second, create modules for each stage. Third, keep things simple and digestible. Fourth, make it engaging with visuals and interaction. Fifth, personalize the experience. And don't forget to use the recommended software to bring it all together. Finally, don't forget to grab the free trial of the software I mentioned earlier. Check the description below for all the details and get started on creating your own client onboarding course today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.